Big boy. Wider back. Beautiful lateral line. Thank you. That was quick, wasn't it? Hey, finally hooked one across the bank. Ooh. Came with the salad. Ooh. Would you look at that? He threw something very interesting. Gotta open your mouth. He's fat, or she's fat. She got a belly. And I think I know why. Thank you. Kind of lethargic. I think she was digesting. And she just couldn't help getting one more thing. But this is what she spit out. That is cool. Crawfish. They're eating some crawfish. And her belly was full of it. And that stuff is bright red. What's up, guys? Sorry for the wind. It's gonna be windy till this weekend. But I'm trying to make a video for y'all. Bass fishing hasn't been really good. A lot of the dinks like always. And I want to catch something with some size, so hopefully the carp one is good. So I'm going to try this bait. You can find it at the LCD 936 shop in Canal. And this leader he makes, might be a mix too. It's like a big spring. And it's meant so you can hold the compact bait there. Hold it. A little bit better than just free hook, free line with just a hook. And they'll eat this stuff, but it's a good attractant. So that's gonna be my attractant right there. And if you see, there's a bunch of hooks surrounding it. And what I'm gonna do with those, I'm gonna bait it up with corn, some good old sweet corn. Just gonna thread them up. And I do have a rod with a spinnerbait, Googin Zinger. Toss that a bit since it's so windy. In the zone, the choice I have, we're gonna want to try and catch a bass that might be hungry. But mostly going for the carp. I'm gonna put you on my chest and wish me luck. Got one. Hey! Oh, sharp. Braid is sharp, braid is sharp, braid is sharp. Looky there, looky there. The first bass I caught that's respectable out of here. Wow. First like one, maybe. It's like 1.5 going to 2 pounds. On a spinnerbait on a windy day. Oh, beautiful. Nope, no crawfish. Out of the corner of my eye, I saw him chase some bait, and I quickly just threw up on there, twitched it a couple times, and just felt thump, and set the hook on him. He ate it good. A little high bank, but thank you, fella. Appreciate you. Nose first, and out it goes. Yeah! So much for carp fishing, right? I'm out here trying to catch carp, and the zinger done gone caught me a bass. How about them apples? Fix up the blade now, it's a little crooked. A little crooked. That's what happens when you flip bass on top of the bank. That looks straight. Yeah, I was casting at those trees over there in the corner of my eye. I saw something jump on bait. Cast it right there. Oh, I got a bite. Bite. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa, yeah. Okay. Easy there, fella. Hey. Tangled up my other line. Take it easy. Take it easy. Ease yourself in here. Ease yourself in here. Sorry, can't put a better camera angle for you guys, but I'm gonna have to finesse them if I don't want to fall in the water. Oh, he didn't like that. It's a chance. It's okay, it's okay. Ease in, ease in. There you go. Got him in the middle. Easy as that. Easy as that. Gonna try and get a weight on you. Oh man, that's a big bite. Barely hooked on. But these big gummy lips held them on Jeez. Look at that. I gotta stretch out my arms just so y'all see them. Stretching out my arms as far as I can. Zero it out. Let's see if we can get away. Whoa. The stuff, the grippers weren't strong enough. I didn't want to do this, but it is gonna have to do. $10.63, a little over 10.5 pounds. 9.5, sorry, 9.5. Oh, what a joker. Thank you. Okay, give him a release. I got no use for you right now. Oh, you got one. Wish it was in the tiny rods, but I'll take it. Well, that's it for today. Hopefully the wind's blocked out for you guys, but this medieval looking contraption ended up catching the carp. Those hooks are awesome. Tiny and sturdy. And that's what helped me catch that nice sized carp. 9.5 pounds. Gotta remember that. See if next time I break my PB. I've caught a bigger one before, but I didn't weigh. But let's call that my big now since I weighed it this time. But yeah, caught a nice carp and a good little bass. I hadn't caught a bass that size here in like a month or so. So I'm happy I finally found another one. And the day I really thought I wasn't gonna catch anything, but I mean, I can go for other stuff, but I'm still gonna try and catch a bass if I can, man. And it worked out for me this time. I sight casted him. I saw him chase some bait. He fell for his spinner bait. But yeah, that's it for this windy day. Hope you all liked it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.